These are braces, and I'm pre-drilling the braces so that I can put wood screws in easier. Putting the screwdriver in the drill.
You're putting this, that is the part. Let me see.
I'm putting a Phillips head screwdriver in my drill.
Into the drill.
Right.
It's a screwdriver with no handle.
Right.
Let me see, what do we got? Can you see?
It's pretty much in the middle.
Okay.
We're drilling a hole. We're drilling a hole.
Pre-drilling?
Pre-drilling, yeah. We want to drill it at an angle because we have to, because this board is too short, and we have to kind of. All right.
What do you mean the board's too short?
Remember, the shelf is too short?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see. So why would that make you have to drill at an angle, though?
Well, here, I'll show you. I show you what I'm talking about.
And is that Serbian again?
Yeah. I divide the difference, right?
Yeah, right.
Put the gap equally on each end, and then I drilled it at an angle like this so that I can, because my brace is right there.
You want to hit the brace with
hit the brace.
You want to hit the brace with the long screw, is that it?
No, if I drilled straight up and down, I won't hit the brace. That's why I had to drill at an angle, so I could hit the brace a little better. If you look at it like this, this is how it's going to be.
Let me see. This.
Oh, great. That felt like a really good bite.
All right. Went right in there.
Yeah.
A wood screw plumped right in at an angle. That's all you need. You don't. Let's just do one on the other side. That'll be plenty.
Yeah, you don't need a lot here.
No.
That brace is in my way. I'm going to have to come over here and do it right-handed instead of left-handed.
Looks like it went in real snug again.
Yeah, that was good. We measure again just to be sure.
All right, second measurement to be sure.
48 inches.
48. 48 exactly?
Yep. Right on the nut.
.48. That's, is that 4/12? 4 feet, isn't it?
That's 4 feet.
Okay. 4 feet wide.
Yeah. I make a line right there at 4 feet. That's a nice little saw. You know, I think the saw is made by the same people who make my drill. It is.
What is it?
It's a Milwaukee. I think. How do you pronounce that?
Makita?
Makita, yeah.
Makita. You like that brand, huh?
Yeah, I did. I want to get this exactly. Okay, right there. That's great. That's great. Right there. See this? Didn't go all the way through.
I see. Okay.
Okay, we turn the board over because it doesn't cut all the way through.
So we could have used the Japanese saw, but we didn't.
No, didn't need to do that. All right, look at that. Exactly the right length.
All right, now you're using your T-square.
Using my square. Okay, I put this at 6 inches. Exactly, right there. Okay. There's 6 inches. Take my brace. Put it right there. Okay, now there's no doubt in my mind. Alright, this is great. Wow. Alright, there we go.
You just put the brace in, which is like huge, because one more brace and we have a shelf in place.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. Okay.
Alright, you're pre-drilling this brace that we forgot about. And you're going to do 2.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
And that brace is going on the back, crisscross brace.
Now, I'm going to pre-drill down there, so I need you to hold this where it's going to be needing to go.
You pre-drilled. You're pre-drilling.
Pre-drilling again.
Pre-drilling some more.
Okay, now take the bit out and put in the screw driving bit, which is right here. It's a wonderful thing. I never use a screwdriver anymore. I just use this. This thing has paid for itself so many times. It's fantastic. I need somebody to get on the other side of this and push it towards me.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
You're pushing it towards me.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now screw the bottom and we'll be set. A little screw here. Okay.
It's done,
That's
isn't it?
Done. Come back again real soon.